Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome. My name is Jed Albring, and I want to talk to you about the Clickfunnels affiliate program commission and the structure and how it works. So, first of all, so you know a little bit about me, I've been using Clickfunnels for a little over 3 years. I've stay-at-home dad. As you can see, I'm on my couch here, and I use ClickFunnels to build funnels for people and to do lead generation. But I also just recently started working at, promoting ClickFunnels as an affiliate, and I do that by making YouTube videos like this, blog posts, Facebook groups, and so forth. And I just share with other people my passion for ClickFunnels, and I show them how to build funnels. I show them how to do the technical stuff, and then and the marketing and all that kind of good stuff. So I love ClickFunnels. I'm passionate about it. I love to share it. So the way that the commission program works is you get 40%. Now, at the time of this recording, so this is June 2019, things may change whenever you're watching this, but for the most part, it's always been 40%. There are, there are higher ticket items, lower ticket items. I want to talk about the main core items right here, which is really the ClickFunnels 14-day trial, which most people promote to get people into either the startup plan, which is $97 a month, so you get 40% of that, which is $38.80 recurring, guys. So that's recurring every single month. Now that may not sound like a lot, but it adds up over time. And then if they go for the full suite, which is $297, you get $118. There's also Funnel Builder Secrets, which is a $2,000 plan, I believe like a $3,000 plan and like a $5,000 plan. So you get 40% of that. There's Funnel Scripts, which is an $800 product. You get 40% of that. And ClickFunnels has what's called sticky cookies. So it's one of the greatest affiliate programs I've ever been a part of. And it is my core product that I promote. So sticky cookies, whereas a lot of other affiliate programs, if you've been a part of other affiliate programs, they give you like 30, 60, maybe 90 days, meaning if someone clicks on your link, they have 30, 60, or 90 days to buy, and then you lose that sale if they buy later. ClickFunnels, if somebody clicks on my link today and doesn't buy for another year, I still get commission for that. That's insane. So that's why ClickFunnels is a great program. So the more hooks you have in the water, the more opportunity you have to earn a commission. I will put a link below, guys, where you can sign up. If you're not a ClickFunnels user, and you can get started. You can get started with a 14-day trial, and when you become a ClickFunnels user, you're automatically an affiliate. There's nothing you need to do. You will get access to this full affiliate center. You can just access it from your dashboard under settings. It says affiliate, and you've got all these different products to promote. This is the main promotion area here, where you would get your links to the ClickFunnels 14-day trial, the boot camp, things like that. Also, ClickFunnels, what they do, which nobody else does, is when you get to 100 members, they'll give you $500 a month towards a dream car to lease any car of your choice. When you get to 200 active users, they'll give you $1,000 a month towards your dream car. That is freaking insane, guys. So when you scroll down here, it just tells you, what do you want to promote, and they're going to give you all the tools that you need, right? All the banners, all the ads. They even give you email swipes to send out. I mean, they do everything for you. There is so much support in this affiliate community. It's insane. Dave Woodward, who heads up the affiliate program, is very active in the ClickFunnels Avengers, which is the ClickFunnels affiliate group on Facebook. I highly recommend you join that group and see what other people are doing. There's over 60,000 affiliates in there. People are sharing, people are commenting. There's all kinds of good stuff going on. So ClickFunnels affiliate commission program, guys, is fantastic. Again, I'll put a link below. I am an affiliate, so full disclosure, if you end up buying ClickFunnels, thank you. I get a percentage for that, and best of luck to you. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.